Most investors don't really know what they own. Expert advice costs hundreds an hour. Courses cost thousands. What if an AI could read any financial report, explain it in simple English, and coach you to think like a professional analyst? For about the price of a Netflix subscription, meet Claude, your AI stock market tutor. Here's why learning to invest feels impossible. Courses assume you know the basics. Financial filings are written in corporate code, and real analysis means juggling all three at once. So people quit, or worse, they copy random tips from social media. Both are fast tracks to losing money. What you really need is a patient tutor, one that answers any question, anytime, without judgment. Claude doesn't just give you stock tips, it helps you build judgment. I stress tested it with three of the toughest topics in finance. Could it move beyond just information and actually teach thinking? Let's see. First up, earnings reports. My prompt was simple. Teach me to analyze this company's quarterly report like a professional. Claude didn't just summarize, it taught me a framework. 1. Find what truly moves the business. 2. Compare results to expectations. 3. Look for clues about what's next. Then it surfaced a hidden signal. The headline number was down, but the average selling price was UP. This pointed to customers buying more premium products. The headlines shouted bad news. The real story was improving quality. That's the difference between reading numbers and reading a business. Next, I asked it to explain a Federal Reserve interest rate change. Most news stops at higher rates hurt growth stocks. Claude went way deeper. It showed me the chain reaction. Higher yields make safe bonds more attractive than risky dividend stocks. Companies with lots of debt get squeezed first, and growth stocks get hit because their distant profits are worth less today. Then it showed me the second-order effects. Higher mortgage rates mean less home buying, which hurts home improvement stores. But it helps mortgage servicers because loans stay on their books longer. That's systematic thinking. Cause, effect, and the next effect. Finally, the big one, options. I asked Claude to make them intuitive. Its analogy was genius. Think of it like car insurance. How likely is a crash? How big is the damage? How long are you covered? In the world of options, that's volatility, that's moneyness, and that's time to expiration. That simple idea explains everything. It's why option prices spike around earnings reports. The risk of a crash is briefly much higher. Suddenly, options weren't a scary formula. They were just logic. And logic is something you can actually use. Claude works so well as a tutor for three key reasons. 1. It connects the dots like a human analyst, not just a data scraper. 2. It explains the why behind every step, so you learn to reason on your own. And 3. It adapts to your level from total beginner to advanced without any ego. So how can you use this today? Ask it for the 3 key drivers and 3 biggest risks from any company report. Ask it why the market moved today and what it means for different sectors. Ask it to review your portfolio for concentration risks you might be missing. Ask it to explain any complex concept like EBITDA or yield curves until it finally clicks. Now let's be clear. Claude is your tutor, not your stockbroker. It won't pick stocks or promise you returns. Its job is to help you think critically, to help you understand what drives value, and to help you spot both opportunities and risks. As Charlie Munger said, the key to long-term success is consistently avoiding stupid mistakes. Claude is your partner in avoiding them. Ready to start? Here's a simple 4-week plan. Week 1. Pick one company. Ask Claude to walk you through its latest quarter. Week 2. Pick one big market event. Ask Claude to map the first and second order effects. Week 3. Pick one concept that scares you. Ask Claude to explain it 3 different ways. Week 4. Review your portfolio. Ask Claude what questions you might be failing to ask. Watch how your thinking gets clearer, step by step. For decades, professional-grade financial thinking was locked behind expensive doors. AI tools like Claude make it accessible to everyone. While others are chasing hype, you'll be building understanding. While they're following tips, you'll be running your own analysis. Use this tool to become the investor you want to be Subscribe for more on using AI in finance. Check out my video on how to make $847 while sleeping. 5 AI tools do all the work. This video is for educational purposes and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consider consulting a licensed professional.